So this is the day, I don't know how many days we've been home. Jadi kayak we've been 3 weeks, is it?
Almost 3
We've been 3 weeks in the quarantine. I don't know why people keep on complaining about it, but I really love being at home. But now I'm bored and
To be honest,
staying at home is fun, but we get bored too. So I decided to let my sister cut my bangs for me. Not so much like hers, but it's just some Korean bangs. So you better watch, and just in case you want to cut it yourself.
so as you guys know, Korean bangs itu kan kayak yang tipis-tipis gitu kan. But mine is not. Mine is just simple bangs, kayak bangs yang biasa gitu yang tebel. But trust me. Jadi bangs yang di request sama my sister itu Korean bangs, dimana Korean bangs itu kan kalian tahu itu yang tipis-tipis gitu. And for mine is just bangs biasa gitu, jadi kayak cuma simple bangs yang kayak gini, and itu tuh lebih tebal dari Korean bangs. Jadi gak usah ngomong panjang-panjang lagi, kita langsung let's get into the video.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue.
Turns out like this.
It turns out like this, and tengahnya itu gak bisa nyambung, jadi aku suruh dia catok dikit biar kayak nyambung dan bentuknya lebih terlihat gitu.
Kalau kayak gini kan kayak Ismail.
Ismail bin Mail. So guys, this is the final reveal. Come. Not bad.
It's hard to join them, huh?
Oke, jadi ini hasil poninya.
It kind of looks alike.
Setelah di styling alias dicatok. Gak beda-beda amat sih.
Gak makin cantik gimana sih, tapi
this is a whole new look for you ya.
yeah. Great job. Thank you.
Anytime.